Wherever you stand on this planet, whether it is the icy ends of Antarctica, the burning deserts of Arabia, or the calm beaches of Hawaii, one simple truth remains: a magnet will always point north and south. But have you ever wondered why? Is it magic? Is it coincidence? Or is something deep and powerful hidden beneath our feet guiding it silently? The ancient mystery. Over 1,000 years ago, long before modern science, Chinese explorers discovered something strange. A piece of stone, when floated on water, would always turn and face the same direction. This mysterious lodestone became the world's first compass. Sailors trusted it with their lives, but no one knew why it worked. Indian and Arabic scholars studying the same phenomena. For centuries, it remained a mystery, a silent force that pointed the way through storms, fog, and endless seas. The birth of magnetic science. In 1600, English scientist William Gilbert made a revolutionary discovery. He realized the Earth itself acted like a gigantic magnet with invisible lines of force stretching from one pole to another. He called this phenomena Terra Magnetica, the magnetic Earth. His discovery changed everything. Earth was not just our home, it was a living magnetic engine, the molten heart of Earth. But where does this magnetism come from? Deep below your feet, about 3,000 kilometers down, lies a raging ocean of molten iron and nickel. This outer core is constantly churning, moving, spinning, just like a gigantic electrical dynamo. As the metal moves, it creates electric currents, and those currents generate Earth's magnetic field, a colossal invisible shield that wraps our planet in protection. This field protects us from deadly solar radiation. Without it, light might not exist at all. More lost its magnetic field long ago, and with it most of its atmosphere. The atomic secret. Now let us shrink down smaller than dust, smaller than molecules, to the atomic world inside a magnet. Inside every atom, tiny electrons orbit around the nucleus. Each electron acts like a tiny magnet with its own north and south pole. In most materials, these atomic magnets point in random directions, cancelling each other out. But in magnetic materials like iron, cobalt, or nickel, something incredible happens. Billions of these atomic magnets lock together, aligning in the same direction. That's how a bar magnet is born, and when you bring it near Earth, its tiny magnetic field aligns perfectly with Earth's massive one, like a soldier standing in line with his general. The north-south alien. But here is the biggest twist of all: what we call the North Pole of Earth's magnet is actually a magnetic South Pole. Your compass needle's north end is attracted to the Earth's magnetic south, which happens to lie near to geographic north. So when your compass points north, it is actually pointing towards Earth's magnetic south pole. And that is not all. Earth's magnetic pole don't stay still. They wander, drift, and even reverse over time. Every few 100,000 years, Earth's magnetic flips, north becomes south, and south becomes north. Scientists have found evidence of these flips locked inside volcano rocks, a magnetic memory of Earth's changing heart. The magnetism of life. But Earth's magnetic field does not just guide compasses, it guides life itself. Migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers using magnetoreception, a built-in compass in their brains. Sea turtles find their birthplace beaches using the same magnetic cues. Every tiny bacteria sends Earth's magnetism to navigate underwater mud. The entire web of life, from the smallest cell to the mightiest whale, is tuned to this invisible force, the magnetic universe. Magnetism is not just an earthly phenomenon; it is cosmic. The sun's boiling plasma creates magnetic storms powerful enough to disrupt satellites on Earth. Jupiter's magnetic field is so immense it could fit 20 Earth inside. Even galaxies have magnetic structures weaving through their stars. From the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy, magnetism connects everything. The invisible symphony. Fade to a hand holding a compass, the needle points north. Slowly zoom out to show how spinning the stars. So next time you hold a magnet, remember you are not just holding a piece of metal, you are holding a story written by the earth itself, a story of fire, motion, and invisible beauty, a story that connects you to every explorer, every bird in flight, every atom in the universe. And it is very interesting explanation.